I feel as a child so happy these days because I've got a new car, this racing car. And this racing car is a wireless remote one. It can go quite speedy but also quite slowly. And that is the speed I need for my special shots with the camera. Because you know, we also have got this one. This is a very big one. I hope you can see it like that. It's a very big one. It's for the heavy cameras. You put your camera on it and it can slide like that. But with the car you can do much more. You can go for miles around with this car as long as the surface of the floor is not too wobbly. But this one is nice. But we went for some test shots to the neighbor. He's got a nice floor and it's a supermarket. And they've got this nice long floor, and you can make some fabulous shots with this one. Have a look, because Liddy, my wife, she walks with her high heels in front of the camera, and you get these super shots and bit of music to it, and you can use it like that, or use it for your football team all on a row, and then shoot from the side. So there are many possibilities, but also use, of course, the fisheye converter. I've got here the Century one. En dan met je benen over elkaar uitsteken.